Good morning! Mag-juicer tayo ngayon para kay Robert. Ito, may lemon tayo, celery, organic, and beets and carrots. Para ma-detox, makis ang kanyang kidney. Okay, start natin. Naglagay ako ng celery. San, I put start?
What is that?
Which one? Oh, that's my favorite sauce. Leave it there. San, how you do this? Okay. Noise. Carrots, then beets. Scandalous? Ah, my goodness. What's like this? Scandalous. Very scandalous machine. Oh, very scandalous machine. Lemon and carrots. I forgot to buy turmeric or ginger. This is for my husband juice. Make it for him. Cleanse. Not bad. Magtsatsaga ka lang talaga. Nung binili ko tong machine na to, akala ko yung maglalagay ka lang ng buo, hindi ko binasa na kailangan pang magputol-putol ng ganito kaliit. In-expect ko yung lagay na ng pagbuo. Hindi pala. So, kailangan ko lagyan pa natin ng carrots. Siguro tama na yan. Gusto ko lang itong beets. Skandalous ang machine na to. Tawagin natin si Robert. Oh, lagyan natin ng cucumber. Yan. Cucumber. Lahat. Dapat pala ginatin ko. Okay. Okay. Ayan, matubig yung cucumber. Ayan, magugustuhan to ni Robert kasi matubig yung cucumber. Masyadong puro yung beets eh. Wow, ang galing. Ayan. Okay. Ito na siya. Ayan na. Ay! Ito na yung juice. Ayan, sa akin ang tira. Uy, masarap. Delicious. Lemon, cucumber. Mas nananalo yung lasa ng cucumber at saka ng lemon. Tapos beets. Celery. Ang delicious. Oh!